Let's ditch the confusion and learn how to conquer those assigned GitHub issues like a coding champion. First things first, understanding the mission. Head to your project's issue tracker and locate your assigned task. Carefully read the entire issue. Pay close attention to the title, which is the mission statement, and the description, which provides the details needed for success. Understand the goal, any specific instructions, and any related resources. If there are labels associated with the issue, notice them. They may give hints on the type of work or required skills. Time to create your branch. On the main branch of the repository, open the branch button, which allows you to diverge from the main storyline. Create a new branch that is clearly named after the issue or the task it addresses. Remember, a descriptive branch name is going to help you track where you are in your project. This keeps the project organized while letting you work independently. Now, the fun part: coding. Use your code editor to edit the files that are relevant to the task. Implement the changes that the issue requires. Test your code frequently, checking if the changes behave as expected. Make sure your code is well formatted, readable, and follows the project's coding style. Don't be afraid to comment your code to clarify the details. With your code changes implemented, submit a pull request. Navigate to the pull request section. In your repository, select the button that creates a new pull request. Compare your recently created branch to the main repository. Write a clear and concise description of your changes, referencing the original issue number. This tells reviewers the story behind your work. Expect feedback. Embrace the improvement. Reviewers will examine the changes and may provide comments or suggestions. Review the comments by checking the conversation section of your pull request and address them. Make the required modifications to your code. If the reviewer asks for clarification or changes, be proactive. Update your work until the feedback is resolved. Once the pull request is approved, merge your changes into the main branch. Celebrate, you have conquered your issue. Successfully completing GitHub issues is easier than you thought. By following these steps, you'll become a GitHub issue master in no time. Now go out there and get those issues done.